guys, it's Crsr back with Crsr Stock Analysis. You guys, thank you so much for the support in my first video. It means so much to me. I got such great feedback from you all, so I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please subscribe, please like. I do technical analysis every week. I don't know my schedule yet, but just stay tuned for more videos. So enough horsing around, let's get right into today's video. Today we are going to start off with XPEV, XPEV. This was requested through a subscriber. I'll put his comment on the screen right here. Okay, so I'm very happy that I was asked to review this stock because I'm seeing a very similar story in NEO. XPEV is really looking like it's about to break out, and it's looking like a really good buy soon in this upcoming week. First, I want to point out a little pattern that I noticed right off the bat. Let's see, if we draw this trend line from the bottom of this candle, from Thursday's close, which was 41.87, and then we go to the high and we draw this down here. You can notice right off the bat when you look at this chart that we are in a falling wedge pattern. So XPEV has had a lot of pullback, as you can see, and this could be a strong level of support at this 50 EMA, about 41.30. So if we can see a break up above this wedge, then that is a good sign that we are going to start heading back up. Next, another thing that I noticed on this chart is if you take a look at the volume, you can see that it's been very high back in November, late November, and during this pullback we're starting to see the volume die down, which means there are less trades going on, less selling, which means that investors could see a buying opportunity soon in the stock. So look at this 50 EMA as a level of support around $41.30, $41. So let's go ahead and look at our Fibonacci retracement. This is going to help us find where the support levels are and potential resistances. So we're just going to go to the peak of XPEV and then go all the way down here towards the bottom. So as you can see, we have a bunch of lines. Great technical analysis, Crsr. So if we look at the 38.2% level, it's at about $40. So we can look at $40 as a potential big support level for XPEV. If we start to break underneath that, I could see us going to about 39, just a touch under it. But honestly, I really don't see XPEV going any lower than that. I think a lot of people are excited to get into the stock, and with the EV sector being super hot right now, I think people are just ready to buy into this. Of course, that's opinion, but I'm just looking at this chart and it looks like it's ready to run. So if we can hold support at the 38.2% level, which is about $40, $39 roughly, want to look at the next level above it, which is $46. That could be a potential resistance level, and as you can see, we kind of did have a little bit of resistance, about $47. All in all, guys, XPEV is looking like a buy very soon, so just keep an eye on it, be careful, don't rush into the dips. Just follow the price action, see where things take you, and just be safe when you're trading. Okay, the next stock we're going to go over is Corsair, ticker Crsr. Right away, we noticed that Corsair, ever since the IPO, has had a nice run up to $51.37. Since the end of November, we've been seeing a little pullback in Corsair. So currently we closed on Thursday at $36.35. So we have a pretty good support at $32.65 roughly. So I do believe that Corsair has room to come back down and retest support at the $32 range. And this is why, because if we take a look at the volume is still pretty high for the selling, as you can see, given we did have holiday last week. However, we are still seeing a high volume of selling in Corsair, and we might still be going through this consolidation period. So I could really see Corsair coming back to retest level 32 before going higher. And then lastly, we have the Fibonacci retracement level. So if we take a look here, we reached resistance at the 78.6% level, which is 43.87, and we closed under the 61.8% level on Thursday. So that is a pretty bearish sign that we could be headed to the 50% level, which is at about $33, but I would say to be safe, $32. There's no need to chase this stock, just let the price action take you where you need to go and you'll be alright. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I really hope this helped you all, and I really hope you guys all make a lot of money this upcoming week. Please comment down below what other stocks you'd like me to go over. But that's it, I have a gym to get going to, so please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.